So I have always been into hair and hair products, which is why I was so excited to start Pete and Pedro. When I was a younger guy, I didn't realize the importance of actually using a pre-styler to take your hair to the next level. I thought, hey, I have a great product and I'm good, right? Well, oftentimes I was actually disappointed in how my hair looked and the product would perform. After years of research and testing, what I've come to realize is that pre-stylers oftentimes are going to be the game changer that you're looking for. And so what I'd like to do is actually go over 4 of my favorites, tell you what the different uses are, and why you should incorporate them into your bueno hair grooming routine. So first up, guys, we've got to talk about a sea salt spray. Sea salt spray, game changer in terms of volume and texture. A few squirts after the shower, right? And then apply your product like normal. You are going to be amazed at how much more volume, texture, and life your hair actually has. The second pre-styler is a texturizing cream like thick. This stuff is amazing, all right? After the shower, towel dry your hair, a little bit in your hand, right? Run it through all the way down to the roots, and then on top of it, add your regular product. And what you're gonna find is that this is going to help add thickness and texture to your hair strand and make your hairstyle big, bold, beautiful, and sexy. Number 3 is Treat. If you want to add shine, strength, and sexiness to your hair, guys, a few drops of Treat in your hands, work it through your hair when your hair is damp, and then apply your product on top of it, guys. It's going to add another level of shine, of sexiness, of softness, not to mention strength. Argan oil is literally like liquid gold. You can also use it just by itself. If you're somebody that has or suffers from drier hair, a few drops of Treat right in your hand, work it through your hair anytime, and your hair is going to be soft, sexy, and did I mention sexy? And the 4th pre-styler is Protect. If you're somebody that uses a hair dryer or any type of heat on your hair to style it, you got to make sure you protect it because heat is bad for your hair. Protect acts as like a force field to lock in the moisture, to lock in the sexiness, and make your hair look better. Gentlemen, if you want to take your hair's game to the next level, you got to start experimenting with some of the super sexy pre-stylers that Pete and Pedro has to offer.